Hello. So in this video, I'll explain how this system monitoring application exposes metrics using FastAPI. Monitoring system metrics are rarely printed to the terminal. They are exposed via APIs so that other system can also consume them. Using HTTP and JSON makes the metrics accessible to dashboard, alerting system, and automation tools. So this is the app.py, my API application file. This file defines the FastAPI application and the endpoints that expose monitoring data. So here first we have imported like FastAPI, import FastAPI, and then we have imported collection and their functions. So our files are in collection folder, which is system.info, and get system metric and get disk usage are the two functions which we discussed in the previous video to get the data. So we are storing this in application app variable. So this FastAPI has a title system monitoring API, and we have this four functions here. So this creates so this app FastAPI variable creates application or API application object. So first, if we discuss the app.getHealth, so this is a health endpoint used to check if the application is running. Then we have system metrics. This endpoint returns CPU and memory metrics collected from the system. If it fails, it will show fail to collect the system metrics. Then we have disk metric. Then this endpoint exposes disk usage information. Each endpoint is mapped to Python function that returns data, and this is normal URL which shows that status is okay and API monitoring app is running. It returns data. So the function returns Python dictionary. FastAPI automatically converts it into JSON and sends it as an HTTP response. As we can say in our data collection file, we are returning the dictionary here, and then in app.py, the FastAPI automatically converts it into JSON and sends it as an HTTP response. This keeps code simple and readable. As we have seen the output in the browser, it shows the data. So this is the system metrics data exposed through the API as output. Any monitoring system can consume this format. So this app.py, this design separates metric collection from metric exposure. It allows the monitoring logic to evolve independently from API layer. So that's a strong point, that both collection and API apps are separated. This approach forms the foundation of most monitoring services. So lastly, let me summarize this whole API thing. So first, client sends the HTTP request, then FastAPI matches the route. Suppose here metric system, disk, health, or endpoint. Then the function executes. Suppose we have executed this system metric system route, then it goes to this get system metric. So that function is executed, then Python dictionary is written, and then FastAPI converts it into the JSON format and response sent back.